Hi, this is Chelsea from Ref and Write. In this video, we will see how to write a catchy title for your research paper. Every word in your title is crucial. It's the first thing a reviewer or reader will see. Most of the time, they will look at the title and decide whether to read the paper or skip it. So, titles are super important. When crafting a title for your paper, you must pay attention to several key factors. Number one, it should be short and concise. Number two, it must be very specific and not too broad. Number three, it should be informative. Just by reading the title, the readers should be able to understand the essence of your paper. Number four, you must showcase unique aspects and main findings of your paper to make it more compelling. Number five, it should be search engine friendly. You must use the right keywords so that others can find your paper easily online. Number six, the title should make the reader curious and make them want to read the full paper. Let's look at an example. I have written a research paper about a chatbot app that teaches math to high school students. Let's construct a title for our research paper step by step. We should start by asking ourselves 3 questions. What is the main finding? What is new and interesting about our work? What keywords should I use so that people can find my paper easily online? So what is the main finding? The main finding was that teaching math through a mobile app using an interactive chatbot significantly improved high school students' grades. So, what is new and interesting about our work? Of course, the interactive chatbot. Let's identify 3 to 5 keywords. Let's see. Math, mobile app, interactive chatbot, improved grades. Now let's put it all together and see if we can come up with a good title for our research paper. I think a fitting title to our paper will be Improving Math Grades Using a Mobile Interactive Chatbot. The title is short and concise. Just by looking at the title, you can guess what the paper is all about. People looking for papers on this topic are likely to search for terms like app for improving math, mobile app to improve math grades, math app, chatbot for teaching maths, etc. It has all the key terms in the title, which is great. I think it is a perfect title for our paper. There are other ways to make your paper title stand out and grab readers' attention. For example, you can formulate your paper title as a question. Let's look at some examples. Does Facebook influence teens' self-esteem? Is there a potential for renewable energy? Is vitamin D the cause or consequence of obesity? See how these titles make you curious? They grab your attention and make you want to find out the answers, right? That's the magic of a well-crafted title. Another way to make your paper stand out is to add humor to the paper title. For example, the effect of having Christmas dinner with in-laws on gut health. Fantastic yeasts and where to find them. Snakes on spaceship. An overview of Python and heliophysics. Trust me, these are real paper titles of research papers published in actual scientific journals. I did not make it up. I would like to finish this video with an important point. Your title should be grammatically correct. You might be tempted to remove articles and prepositions from the title to make it short. That is not the way to go. The title should grammatically make sense. Let's look at some examples. Look at this title. Occupational Factor Influences Alzheimer's Disease. Clearly, the author decided to remove articles and prepositions to keep it short, but the title sounds incomplete. Now, look at this version. The occupational factors influence on Alzheimer's disease. We have included relevant articles and prepositions. Now, it reads well and is grammatically correct. Let's look at another example. Survey, Asian Teenage Drinking. The title doesn't sound very professional and reads a bit awkward. Look at this version. A survey of teenage drinking in Japan. This version is clear and polished, but most importantly, it is grammatically correct. If you have any questions, please drop a message below. We will answer it as soon as possible. If you still haven't installed Ref and Write software, please do it. It comes with referencing tools, plagiarism checkers, proofreading tools, paraphrasing tools, an academic phrase bank, and many other useful features to help you write your research papers and thesis. You can sign up for free using the link below in the description. If you are interested in training courses on research and academic writing, please visit our Learning Academy on Udemy. You can find the link in the description below. Finally, please subscribe to our channel to get future updates. Bye for now.